Hey guys, you know that we are discussing about a import and export, and this is the a chapter about import and export. You know that we're learning about MySQLi extension in PHP, but this is our important one topic: how you can export database and import database. You can see that this is in PHP my admin. This is export and import. This is very important when you want to make backup or copy for your database tables or complete database. You can make a backup here. So you know that this is a student our database. So to export your database, just you have to click export, and it is very easy. Just you have to export. Format will be SQL, and then you have to export. Click on this export. You can see that file is saved. And then what you have to do, I want to delete this database. After deleting, I will import. It will be recovered. This is a student, and then drop. You can see that there is no database student. Now what you have to do, just you have to click here import, and then choose file. This is a student, as I download now, and then just you have to click on this import. After importing, saying that successful finished, for the query executed, array query database student. So what you have to do, not properly imported, you have to create a student name database at first. You can see that this is the student database as I make a backup. For that reason, what you have to do, just you have to copy its name, and then you have to create a database at first before importing student, and then create database is created for the name of student. Then here you have to import. Choose file, and then student, and then you have to click on this import. You can see the my underscore std. All the data is recovered. So what you have to do, at first you have to click on this export. It will create a database backup having all the table and its record, and then you can delete from this one. From this here is a student, and then you have to drop this database. You can see there is no student name database. If you want to import this one, just you have to create database with the name as you get. Just copy and paste here, and create database is created. After creating a database, what you have to do, enter into that database. Just click on this import and import that file, student file, and then you have to click on this import. It will be imported student my underscore std. All data is recovered. This is the method how you can export and import database in MySQL.